Welcome to Mini Gia.
Yum. Yum. No, mine is better than yours.
Creme caramel is probably the best dessert in the whole wide world. To me, a perfect creme caramel must be rich and creamy. It must have a very smooth texture with a beautiful golden caramel. When you take a bite, it should be so silky that it melts in your mouth like delicious caramel-flavored panna cotta.
Hi everybody, today we're making creme caramel.
I have a tiny little helper assisting me while I make this dessert. He is super cute and super helpful.
Okay, let's add 1/4 a cup of sugar.
First, we'll make the caramel. For the caramel, I'm using 1/4 a cup of sugar and 1/4 a cup of water.
Why is it wet? Because of water.
When we make the caramel, we don't want to stir it or else the sugar will be crystallized and stick to the utensil.
Because this is too white. You have to make it like really golden.
We'll start the heat high, and when it simmers, we'll turn the heat down to medium and wait for it to turn golden brown. Golden brown like this is perfect. When we pour the caramel into cups, we want to be fast or else the caramel will crystallize in the pot. With this little guy helping me, I get a perfect layer of caramel. Before we do the custard, we have to preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit.
Timothy, go get me the eggs. 2 eggs and 2 yolks?
Just 2 eggs. No eggs.
Okay. Look how jumbo them in. Yes. Go! Thank you.
I have tried different recipes and found out that with too much milk, it does not hold the form, but too much egg will make it too firm and can't be melted in your mouth. So to me, 2 eggs and 2 cups of milk is just perfect. To make a smooth and silky custard, we want the least amount of air bubbles. There are a few ways to do that. First, stir the sugar in with the eggs before you add the milk. It makes everything combine nicely without stirring a lot of air into the batter. Second, we use cold milk instead of warm milk. When we use warm milk, we need to stir it fast to avoid scrambling the egg. And stirring fast will create a lot of air bubbles. Last but not least, I strain it to get all the lumps out of the way. We even strain twice to get a very, very smooth texture. Pour it very gently to make sure we're not forming any other bubbles. Creme caramel should be baked in hot water bath. They love hot tub just like me.
Now we can toss some hot water. Hot water. Yeah.
Now let's put it in the preheated oven and bake for 15 minutes. waiting, I come up with the silly dance to play with my little bro. Minutes is over. Let's see if it's cooked all the way through. How we test it is we wiggle it gently, and if it wiggles very slightly, just a bit like this, that means it's ready. We need to let it sit to room temperature before refrigerating it, or else the cups will crack and the custard will go out. Our flan has been sitting in the fridge overnight. Let's eat! Now we slide a sharp knife gently around to release the flan from the cup. And then the coolest part is putting a plate over top and flip. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3! Voila! Look! Perfect!
Smell it.
Yum. Yum. No, mine is better than yours.
No, mine is better than yours.
Mine is better than the universe.
Mine too.
No, mine is even better.
Thank you for watching.